Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily briefing here at St. Clair County EMA, where we bring you the up-to-date information on the COVID-19. Sam, numbers today and not too good.
No, they aren't. We've had an increase in almost all of our numbers across the board. So for today, we have tested 5,886 with a positive of 1,016, which is an increase of 33 from yesterday, and that includes both males and females from under the age of 10 up to their 90s. We're at 4,789 negative test results with 81 results still pending. And part of that sad news that Herb was talking about was today we are reporting 5 additional deaths, which brings St. Clair County total to 79. And that includes 2 females in their 90s, 1 male in his 90s, 2 females in their 80s, all with unknown health conditions. And as always, our sympathies go out to those families who have lost loved ones to COVID-19. For the IDPH required 14-day quarantine period, we are at 661 that have completed that. For state totals, we are at 722,247 tests that have been done, with 107,796 positive test results, and that's an increase of 2,352 from yesterday. For the state, we are reporting 4,790 deaths, which is an increase of 75 from yesterday. For hospitalization rates, and those are for hospitals that are in St. Clair County, we currently have 54 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 4 of them are on ventilators. For congregate living facilities that are in outbreak status, and that is 2 or more staff or residents that are either COVID positive or who have COVID-like symptoms, Berea of Belleville has 23 cases and 2 deaths. Berea of Cahokia has 8 cases and no deaths. Caritas Family Solutions in Belleville has 11 cases and no deaths. Colonnade Senior Living in O'Fallon has 4 cases and no deaths. Four Fountains in Belleville has 104 cases and 20 deaths. Help at Home, which is a new location that we are adding today, Help at Home in Belleville, has 2 cases and no deaths. Help at Home in O'Fallon has 5 cases and no deaths. Knollwood Retirement Center in Caseyville has 7 cases and no deaths. Lebanon Care Center in Lebanon has 51 cases and 9 deaths. Memorial Care Center in Belleville has 43 cases and 5 deaths. New Athens Home for the Aged has 7 cases and no deaths. St. Paul's Home in Belleville has 36 cases and 9 deaths. Swansea Rehab and Care Center has 6 cases and no deaths. And finally, TDL Incorporated in Belleville has 4 cases and no deaths. And now I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thank you, Sam. So today's zip code reports in 62059, we remain at 7. 62201, we're now at 15. That's an increase of 2. 62203, we remain at 35. 62204, we're now at 41. That's an increase of 1. 62205, we're now at 43. That's an increase of 1. 62206, we're now at 89. That's an increase of 1. 62207 is now at 63. That's an increase of 1. 62208 is now at 58. That's an increase of 2. 62220, we're now at 115. That's an increase of 3. 62221 remains at 91 COVID positive diagnoses in that zip code. 62223 is now at 45. That's an increase of 1. 62226 is now at 116. That's an increase of 2. 62232 remains the same at 17. 62239 remains the same at 11. 62243 is also constant at 7. 62254 increases to 27. It increases by 1. 62257 remains the same at 7. 62258 remains the same at 14. 62264 sees an increase of 9 to 18. 62269 is now at 67. That's an increase of 3. and 62285 remains the same at 8. Remember this weekend, holiday weekend, many people are still staying at home, quarantining at home, can't get out. Give them a call, let them know you're thinking about them. They may have a little extra strain and stress on them this weekend, given that holiday weekends like this tend to bring back memories, and so it would be good to converse with friends, neighbors, relatives that maybe you haven't seen for a while, maybe you see them, but you don't have a chance to speak with them. Remember, it's these times when we all need to band together, be kind with each other, and it helps us get through this. We're moving through. Our metrics still are pointed towards opening into phase 3, and we're going to get there. So, Herb?
Thanks, Chairman. Yeah, as you said, holiday weekend. There are people who are wanting to get out and celebrate the Memorial Day weekend, but we just hope that you use it and do so with social distancing if you have to. If you got to do a barbecue at home or whatever, there's nothing that says you can't do that, but just use good common sense about that. Remember social distancing, even with the family members, good personal hygiene. As we said when we first started, 5 new deaths reported today. We know the positives are going to go up because we're doing more testing. We understand that. Losing another death, or 5 that we reported today, that is what gets hard, especially at this time of the year around the holidays. So here in the county, 79 families are without their loved ones. So just keep that in mind as you celebrate this holiday weekend. For those of you who are following our recommendations and practicing the social distancing, thank you for being a part of Team St. Clair. For those of you who still haven't got your mind made up that it's for the best of everyone, wear your mask. That's what we want you to do, like Team St. Clair members are doing, and we will get through this, as Chairman Kern said. We'll be back here tomorrow at 3:30 with the next update. We'll be back momentarily with the ladies to translate this into our Spanish communities. Thank you.